finger is hovering over that checkout button, and your brain is screaming both yes and no at the same exact time. We have all been there. You find a shop like Jess Anne Boutique, and the clothes look amazing. The aesthetic is totally on point. Everything looks like it belongs in a high-end magazine. But then you realize you have never heard of this brand in your life. You start looking for a sign of life. You look for real people wearing the clothes. You look for honest rants or raves on social media. And what do you find? Basically nothing. It is a digital desert out there. This is the modern shopping gamble. On one hand, the website has the basic security markers. It uses a secure connection. It has been registered for more than just a few weeks. These are the things that usually tell us a site is safe. But on the other hand, the silence is deafening. Usually, if a boutique is legit, you can find someone talking about the shipping times or the fabric quality. With this specific site, the feedback is a total mixed bag. Some automated tools say it is perfectly fine. Other security platforms flag it as a high-risk zone. It is like looking at a weather report where one person says it is sunny and the other says a storm is coming. Do not be fooled by a simple lock icon in your browser bar. That just means your data is encrypted. It does not mean the person on the other end is your friend. So what do you do when you are stuck in this middle ground? You play it smart. You do not buy your entire seasonal wardrobe in one go. You treat it like a scientific experiment. You pick one small item. You pick the thing you care about the least. And you never, ever give them your direct banking information. This is where a credit card or a third-party payment service becomes your best friend. They offer a shield. If the package never shows up, or if you get a tiny shirt instead of a jacket, you can fight for your money. You have a paper trail. You have a team of people who can pull that cash back. Avoid any shop that asks for a direct wire transfer. That is a massive red flag that should send you running. Jess Anne Boutique is not an obvious bottom-of-the-barrel scam. It does not have those glaring spelling errors or broken links that scream fake, but it also has not earned a seat at the table of trusted retailers yet. It is sitting in that uncomfortable waiting room. It is the kind of place where you have to be willing to lose the money you spend. If you are okay with a bit of a gamble, go ahead. Just keep your eyes wide open. The internet is full of these ghost boutiques. They look beautiful, but they lack a heartbeat. Check for a physical address. Look for a working customer service phone number. If those are missing, you are flying blind. Protect your wallet first, and satisfy your curiosity second. It is always better to be the person who is too cautious than the person who is filing a fraud report on a Tuesday afternoon. Stay sharp out there because the deals are tempting, but the risks are real. Keep your shopping habits disciplined and your data guarded. That is the only way to win in this wild online marketplace.